Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account permanently on Android. So first you have to launch your Snapchat application and you have to tap this person or human icon at the top left corner. Here you have to click this gear icon at the top right corner and scroll down under settings to see this I need help that is under support. So all you have to do is to click this I need help and it will take you directly to another page. This time, what you're going to do is to simply look for delete my account. If you can see it right here, then go to the search bar and then type delete. You will see there an option or suggestion that says delete my account. So tap delete my account, and if you can see this one, just continue typing delete till you see delete my account. Once done, tap delete my account. And then here, what you're going to do next is to scroll down till you see this Snapchat accounts portal. So all you have to do is to tap this one and it will take you directly to another page. Here you have to type your username or email address, or you can use your phone number instead to make sure that you're the one who's using this account at this very moment. So after you enter your username, email address, or phone number, tap next. And then here, what you want to do is to just simply enter your password. Now, if you forgot your password, tap forget password and then tap next. And then here you have to scroll down till you see this delete my account. Tap delete my account and then here you can read the following information. As you can see, if you continue to delete your account, you can reactivate after or before 30 days. So that means you can deactivate for like 29 days, but you have to reactivate again. If you don't reactivate your account, then it will lead to permanently delete your account. So for the meantime, that's how you deactivate your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.